Welcome to an episode of FaceTime with Formulas. This series explains little known formulas for competitive math in just under 1 minute. S equals n times n plus 1 over 2 is a helpful yet little known formula to help with finding the sum of n natural numbers. Here is a sample problem for weights. What is the sum of the first 100 positive counting numbers? We can use our formula S equals n times n plus 1 over 2 to solve this problem. S stands for the total we need to find, and n is the natural numbers in our series. So the number of natural numbers we have to find to find that the total answer is 5050. Thank you for watching.